The journey from poverty to success is rarely a straight path. It is a road paved with challenges, setbacks, small victories, and moments of doubt. Yet it is also a journey marked by resilience, determination, and the unwavering belief that circumstances do not define destiny. For many, poverty is not just a lack of money, it is a daily struggle that shapes the way one sees the world and oneself. But within that struggle lies the seed of ambition, a quiet resolve that whispers, there is more for me out there. Imagine a young child growing up in a cramped apartment, where every dollar is stretched and every meal is a blessing. Perhaps their parents work multiple jobs, sacrificing sleep and comfort to keep the lights on. The neighborhood may be rough, opportunities scarce, and role models few. But even in these conditions, dreams are born, dreams of a better life, dreams of changing the narrative. School becomes both a sanctuary and a battleground. For some, it is the only place where they feel seen and valued. Teachers and mentors become lifelines, offering encouragement and glimpses of what could be. The child learns early that hard work is not optional, it is essential. Homework is completed under dim lights, sometimes with an empty stomach, but always with the hope that education will open doors that have long been closed. As the years pass, the challenges intensify. The pressure to contribute financially may force some to take on jobs while still in school. There are moments when giving up seems easier than pushing forward. Friends may fall away lured by the temptations of quick money or shortcuts that lead nowhere good. But those who persevere discover an inner strength they never knew they had. They learn to say no when it counts, to stay focused on the bigger picture, and to keep moving, even when the odds seem insurmountable. Graduation is not just a ceremony, it is a triumph over adversity. It is a testament to every late night, every sacrifice, and every act of faith. For many, it is the first step out of poverty, a chance to pursue higher education or a stable job. But the journey is far from over. The world beyond school presents new challenges, unfamiliar environments, financial burdens, and the ever present fear of failure. Yet these obstacles become stepping stones. The lessons learned in poverty, resourcefulness, grit, empathy become invaluable assets. The young adult may work multiple jobs, take night classes, or start a small business. They may face rejection, setbacks, and moments of despair. But each setback is met with renewed determination. Each failure is a lesson, not a defeat. Along the way, support comes from unexpected places. A mentor offers guidance, a friend provides encouragement, a community rallies behind a shared dream. The journey is still difficult, but it is no longer walked alone. Slowly, progress is made. Savings grow, opportunities multiply, and confidence builds. The once impossible dream of success begins to take shape. Success, however, is not just about financial stability or career advancement. It is about breaking the cycle of poverty, about creating a new legacy for future generations. It is about giving back, reaching out to others who are still struggling, offering a helping hand, and sharing the lessons learned along the way. It is about using one's story to inspire hope and ignite ambition in those who feel trapped by their circumstances. The journey from poverty to success is also a journey of self-discovery. It requires confronting fears, challenging limiting beliefs, and redefining what is possible. It teaches the value of perseverance, the importance of community, and the power of hope. It is a reminder that success is not reserved for the privileged. It is within reach for anyone willing to work for it. For many, the journey is ongoing. Success is not a final destination, but a continuous pursuit of growth, fulfillment, and impact. It is about setting new goals, embracing new challenges, and never forgetting where the journey began. It is about staying humble, staying hungry, and staying true to one's values. The stories of those who have made this journey are as diverse as they are inspiring. Some become entrepreneurs, building businesses that create jobs and transform communities. Others become advocates, using their voices to fight for justice and equality. Still others become mentors, guiding the next generation toward their own dreams. But all share a common thread: the belief that poverty is not a life sentence, but a starting point. Consider the story of a young woman who grew up in a single parent household, where every day was a battle to make ends meet. She watched her mother work tirelessly, sacrificing her own dreams so that her children could have a chance at a better life. Inspired by her mother's resilience, she excelled in school, earned scholarships, and became the first in her family to attend college. The road was not easy. There were times when she doubted herself, times when she felt overwhelmed by the weight of expectation. But she pressed on, fueled by the desire to honor her mother's sacrifices. After graduation, she faced the daunting task of building a career in a competitive world. She started at the bottom, working long hours and learning everything she could. Slowly, she climbed the ladder, earning promotions and respect. Along the way, she never forgot her roots. She volunteered in her community, mentored young people, and advocated for policies that support families like hers. Her journey from poverty to success was not just about personal achievement, it was about lifting others as she climbed. Or consider the story of a young man who grew up in a neighborhood plagued by violence and poverty. Surrounded by negative influences, he struggled to find his way. But a caring teacher saw his potential and encouraged him to pursue his passion for art. Through creativity, he found an outlet for his pain and a vision for his future. He worked tirelessly, honing his craft, and eventually earned a scholarship to a prestigious art school. Today, he is a celebrated artist, using his platform to inspire others and give back to his community. These stories, and countless others like them, remind us that the journey from poverty to success is not just about individual triumph. It is about the power of hope, the importance of opportunity, and the impact of compassion. It is about recognizing that everyone deserves a chance to succeed, regardless of where they start. The path is rarely easy, and the obstacles are real. But for those who dare to dream, who refuse to give up, and who are willing to work for a better future, success is possible. It may take time, sacrifice, and unwavering belief, but the journey is worth it. Because in overcoming poverty, one not only changes their own life, but also paves the way for others to follow. In the end, the journey from poverty to success is a story of transformation, a testament to the human spirit's ability to rise above circumstance, to create opportunity out of adversity, and to turn dreams into reality. It is a journey that inspires, uplifts, and reminds us all that with determination, resilience, and hope, anything is possible.